Hey Tim, this is Paul Heck with Grassfire Digital Marketing. Just wanted to send you this quick video showing you just what I've seen for the installation market as far as like the online search and such and what is going on over there in the South Carolina area. I've got pulled up just installation Charleston, South Carolina, just to see what's going on in that market. I know you're going to be in that area. You've got a couple of companies. Nobody's running ads for installation Charleston right now, it looks like. But you've got a couple of companies popping up in the map section. And then you've got this installation by Cohen's, this 31W installation, and Charleston Spray Foam installation pop up in the organic section. So, when we build a lead gen site or we're working on someone's company website, this is what we're trying to push up in the search to be one of these top 3 in the map and also in the organic section down there. Running PPC ads is also going to push you at the top because Google does push those above everything else. But that's just on a pay-per-click basis. So looking at just some of these companies and just how strong their websites are, just so, if we're going to do a lead gen website or we're going to strengthen your website, I'm looking at the same type of thing, like who is my competitor, how are they beating me now, and what do I need to do? So looking at this installation by Cohen's, they've got a little bit of content on their website, not a whole lot. They've got some client testimonials, which is great, some different things on their clients. Some great photos, but not really. They're just lacking on the content side of things. They list some locations where they're doing work, but what I'm trying to do is like, how are they ranking in the local market in the Charleston area? So I've got their website pulled in. They've got it's not very strong. It's a 2.5 on the domain rating and 11 on the URL. They've got some backlinks coming in from 44 different places. They're being picked up for 176 keywords, and they've got 80 people hitting their site a month. Now, they do have a lot of different areas they're working in, so they're going to have a higher level of keywords just because of that. So when looking at these keywords, I'm looking at like what is going on in the Charleston area. So installation Charleston, South Carolina, 60 searches a month. They're in the position 2 for that. Attic installation Charleston, SC, 20 searches a month, 6 on the position. Richmond, Virginia, that's not applicable. So I'm looking for, there's Greenville and Asheville. Those are kind of out west of you guys. Attic installation Charleston, another 10 searches. You've got some North Carolina. You've got spray foam installation Charleston, another 10 searches. Columbia, not sure how far that is. I have to look that up, but 10 searches there. So again, like I'm going through trying to figure out like, what are the keywords that we actually need to rank for? How difficult that is? That's showing this where this green color is. The greener that is, the less difficult. Of course, the 0 is going to be a lot easier. And I'm trying to figure out what those keywords are that we need to go after. So looking at this other competitors in the number 2 spot, this 31W. Again, they got a little bit of installation content on their site. Keywords like home installation in North Charleston, but not enough content. We always recommend content is king, so 1,500 words of content minimum. It's got to be keyword rich. A lot of times we'll have more content than that on the homepage if we're trying to go after more keywords. But 1,500 words minimum and talking about installation and using those keywords in that content. Second thing are backlinks. So these are like other websites that refer to your website or our lead generation site. That's going to push you up in the search rating because Google's going to pass that power from those websites with traffic onto yours. Third thing are citations. So this is a name, address, and phone number listed online directories. You just have to do more of those than your competitors. That's going to start to push you up in the search ranking and give Google like, hey, these guys got a big presence, a wide presence, and it's going to help you out. So looking at, this 31W, they've got a strong website overall, but their Charleston actual page is not very strong. So they don't have any backlinks or referring domains going to that. They do have 10 keywords that they're being ranked for, and that's installation Charleston, 60 searches a month. Attic installation, 20 searches. We looked at that. Home installation companies, 600 searches a month. So that's a national keyword, so that doesn't say Charleston in it or South Carolina or anything. So I'm looking for blown-in installation Charleston. For some reason, the program didn't pick up the volume on that this month. But you can see, again, there's several hundred searches a month, and this is just the keyword for Charleston, and we would definitely look at some of the other areas around there. Maybe North Charleston, that's awesome for that too. You've got this other page, this Charleston spray foam installation. This is definitely a lead gen page that somebody created. They just didn't do a very good job on it of boosting it up. But it is in the number 3 position right now. It's just not very strong. And so you can see that it doesn't take a whole lot to push up in the effort for making it stronger. 20 backlinks or 47 backlinks come through 20 different places. 38 keywords. Let's look at some of theirs. Spray foam installation Charleston, 10 searches a month. Spray foam installation Charleston SC, 10 searches a month. Attic installation Charleston. You know, you just kind of go down through here and you figure out, like, they've got some near me content on their site. They got a lot of near me. That can be sometimes a little spammy in Google's eyes to have that much. But, you know, that's why they're not ranking high probably on that. But they are ranking high for a few of these. So, you know, they did a little bit right in that aspect. But, you know, looking at the Spray Foam Genie site in Charleston, you know, again, you just need more content to really boost that up there. Looking at the site for it, 35 on the domain rating, because this is all derived from the franchise site, you know, because it's a big site, but 0 on the local market. I mean, look at this. So you're getting picked up for 7 keywords. You had 2 traffic on your website. Those keywords you're ranking in the 7th position for 2 of them, and everything else is in the high teens to 20s up into the 40s. So, you know, that's something that you definitely want to work on if you're trying to work on that Spray Foam Genie website. So that's how we do what we do on, you know, attic insulation, spray foam insulation and such. We're going to try to create a lead gen page. We would definitely go after those keywords in some specific markets and really target some specific zip codes and stuff. We can do that in different ways. But again, my name is Paul Heck. Grassfire Digital Marketing is my company, and you know, we can look at creating a lead gen page for you guys if that's something that you want to look at. And let me know what you thought about this video, and you can reach me at 479-326-7899 or on my cell phone 479-445-8086. Thank you.